Hi there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing to you this Franklin Mint Eurofighter EF-2000 Typhoon aircraft. So here it is still boxed, but I already opened them and took a photograph of them, but I'm still gonna be showing to you how it looks like inside. So at the back, see here, so you can see different types of Eurofighter aircraft made by Franklin Mint collection, armor collection. So here it is guys, just bear with me while I unbox the aircraft. This Franklin Mint Eurofighter EF-2000 Typhoon aircraft. So this is a very detailed Eurofighter Typhoon. So this Eurofighter Typhoon is twin engine, canard-delta wing, and multirole aircraft. It features an opening cockpit, it's a two-seater plane with a very detailed interior. And let's put this back on. This aircraft also features working wheels. And at the back, so the aircraft is designed to carry 2 fuel tanks, 4 beyond visual range air missiles, and 2 laser guided bombs. So there you go guys, my Franklin Mint Eurofighter EF-2000 Typhoon aircraft.